funnier A is correct, because more funnier is wrong. Only one funnier is okay. This is comparative degree. दो कंपैरेटिव डिग्रीज का प्रयोग कभी भी एक साथ नहीं किया जाता. More is comparative degree form of the adjective and funnier is also comparative degree form of the adjective. At the same time, two comparative degree forms of the adjectives are not used. So there should be just one A, funnier. Now, next example. Next example, we are short of time now. We have just 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Next example, either Vijay or Vimal are going to be selected for the match. Either Vijay or Vimal are going to be selected for the match. Underline part is are. Dear friends, when there is one subject at that time, we have to use is. And subject, when subject comes in plural at that time, we have to use are. Now, look at the subject. Subjects either Vijay or Vimal. Either Vijay or Vimal means not both, just one. If Vijay or Vimal, not both, just one of them. So subject is in singular, and that's why we have to use is. Option number has is not correct. Option number C have been is not correct. Option number D, there is no question of it, and option number B is correct, because in subject, if two nouns are there but just one of them has been taken, either Vijay or Vimal, not both, just one, and that's why according to singular subject we have to use is. Now, without wasting our time, we will go for the option example number 3. Example number 3. Example, my uncle presented me the more expensive watch. The more my uncle presented me the more expensive watch. More is underlined. Options are A, much, B, mere, C, most, and D, no improvement. Here, option number C is correct. Why? This is the superlative degree. ये आर्टिकल द के बाद मोस्ट आता है, मोर नहीं. When superlative degree is there, there comes the superlative degree form of the adjective, and that is the most. The most, not the more, the most. So superlative degree के पहले the लगाया जाता है. Before the superlative degree form of the adjective, there comes the article the, and that's why this option number C is correct. Then next, statement number 4. Statement number 4. The two brothers shared the property beside themselves. The two brothers shared the property beside themselves. Beside is underlined, and no doubt it's wrong. Out of these 4 options, we have to select one. A, among, B, between, C, amidst, and D, no improvement. Dear friends, let me remember you. Last 1 minute is last 1 minute is remain. Between दो के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. When there are more than two, then we cannot use between. And the property is shared between two brothers. Two brothers. So for the two things or person, we have to use between. So option number B is right. Now we are short of time. We stop.